just like to hold on to all the memories. It doesn't hurt me anymore. I want you. Don't want you to leave. You stay with me. I want you. Don't want you to leave. You stay with me. I want you. You. You said it's too late, you got inside my head. It doesn't hurt me anymore. I want you. Don't want you to leave, you stay with me. I want you. Don't want you to leave, you stay with me. I want you. You have to know I want you. Don't want you to leave, you stay with me. I want you. Oh, I want you.
You show me the things that I just out of sight from my eyes. You whisper the
Alright guys, what's going on? Give me 1 second as I'm trying to make sure if my sound quality is correct. But hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day. We're about to post this on the live. Give me 1 second. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're coming into a training session not, sleeping the best, but I mean, I feel alive, like I feel great, so that's good. I don't feel tired at all, even though I only slept like for 2 hours. It is what it is, though. We caught a trade, so for the NASDAQ 100, we caught a trade on, actually not on the NASDAQ, but on the S&P 500. We caught a trade off the 50 EMA on the 5-minute. I like how the liquid 50 was holding the sell zone. I knew that I was pretty confident with this level that it was at. I had like a 65 statistics probabilities of it. It's not going to hit and retest that level that I put my stop loss in. So I took the trade, kind of like on the 1 minute. If I go on the 1 minute, I kind of took it on, I entered on the 1 minute, but I managed it on the kind of like the 5 minute. So, like from right over here, like price action, like I took it like right over here, and then it just chopped its way around. But I managed it on the 5 minute and just stayed biased with it, and as well as it just fell all the way down to 2R. So it's a really good trade. I made about 3% on that trade because I kind of added into positions, so I added in right over here. So I added twice. So I added in like my first position right over here, and then I added it the second time about right over here to the downside, and then I added a third position right over here. So about three positions. Like I think made about I think it was like risking about 1.5% if I'm not around 1.5%, I believe, that I risked in total for that. But yeah, it was a really good trade. Made about 3%. It's kind of a swing trading, kind of a day trade, whatever you want to call it. But really good trade. I like kind of like the bias on it today. I'm really excited to see what we're gonna have today on the stocks, because we've been in this range for quite some time. But you know, from my studying this weekend, I kind of realized that stocks, the indices are a bit more bearish and bullish, and I've been trying to buy it this last week, the whole week, and I think that's what was my problem. I was trying to buy it whenever like the volatility was toward the downside, so just ranging, just absolute range mania. Yesterday Friday I took a long from here. Better than it was. Excuse me. So yeah. So I mean, I took it from right over here, and then today we were short bias for today. So I kind of like the idea, especially on. Hey, what's going on? Thank you, appreciate it, bro. I'm already up 3% on this swing trade that I took on the S&P 500. Selling, yeah. I have a short bias today on indices because we're off a level right now where I think we are breaking down to the downside, especially today. Looking at today at this level right over here on tech stocks, like we just literally broke through from the zone that I kind of marked up, and then this is the FQN for the day, which is kind of the average daily range divided by volatility. So it just kind of measures where price action may kind of stutter. ADR. That's a level, but the FQN is another level that we could use. So I'll be looking for shorts on the open toward this level right over here if I find any. But I am definitely short biased. That's why I took a short on the S&P 500 last night, because it was just really biased toward the direction. So as well as the liquid 50, it's falling right there. So I am definitely thinking that we're gonna see more momentum to the downside for today, which I'm pretty excited because it's been ranging the whole day. It's kind of, the whole week actually. Whole last week has just been ranging. So finally we're gonna see some momentum, some volatility before the election, which is about like 9 days, I believe, the election. So we should see more volatility, like more. I think just a lot of volatility, as it starts like indecision, and so it's like for what I see, like the S&P 500, like indices are kind of like in a zone where it's about to break. It's about to break with like volatility. We're just waiting for that kind of like decisive move, in my opinion. And to answer your question, Danny, it took me literally like about 45 minutes to pass the challenge, which I think that was like, I don't even know how I did it, to be honest. Like, to be quite frank with you, that was like a quick challenge. Like, I don't know if that's a world record for FTMO, but damn, that was quick. 45 minutes, 10%, like that's a lot. And it was, number one thing was because of the setup. I was trading a really good setup that had really high probabilities to the upside. It went about 1%, like 100 points, like in like less than like 30 minutes. So yeah, so it was a really good setup, but like it's insane that I passed in 45 minutes. That's insane to me. So anyway, so regarding the Nasdaq, we're gonna look at Forex. So I like EuroCAD for long buys today. I know we have bearish divergence on top, so that's a hit, and then as well as in the Asian range, which is a hit also. I don't really count this as a break of the Asian range just because it kind of bounces from this level. It's about, let's see how much pips it is from the break of the AR. So it's about, I believe, sometimes I count it if it's 12 pips. So I'll count that. I'll count that a break. If it's like less than like 5 pips, then I usually don't count it. I usually just count it as like a fell break of the Asian range. But I'll count that for sure. So I'm looking at that. So it's about, I'll say, about one hit from what I'm seeing on the 15-minute. I don't like how price actions at the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA is in a way, so that's definitely hit in my opinion, as well as there's a downshift right now, with the 1821 EMAs. Liquid 50 is kind of holding the buy zone. I liked how it kind of bounced from this level right over here, and now it's like starting to rise again, but it's starting to fall again, so we'll see what it does. Let's look at the 1 hour. So 1 hour, it could be better. EMAs could definitely be better. Excuse me. The 800 EMAs in the way, so we definitely have to kind of mark that kind of level, because it is a significant level. So we can just kind of put like 1 hour 800 EMA. Guys, it's so cold out here in Oklahoma. Holy crap, it's 30 degrees. I mean, like, come on, like, that's insane. And it's snowing. It's snowing right now, so it's just, how am I supposed to go to the gym? How do I put this? Top left? Can I do like to bottom, top, kind of right? I want to do right. There we go. Okay, cool. So I'll mark that level, and then so EMAs could definitely be better, but the 1821 EMAs are up in the buy zone, which is something significant. So that's something that I like. The 1821 EMAs are in the upshift intraday. EMA, I mean, the swapping liquid 50 is a swapping liquid 50, so but it's in the buy zone still, so that's kind of a point. One daily, oh my god, one daily just looks so choppy to me on like the swap on the liquid 50. It's almost flat right there. So I mean, it's making lower highs from right over here, lower high. It looks like it's about to make another lower high from right over here off the daily pivot on the 1 daily chart, and it's, you know, coming off the 50 EMA. But again, this is the daily, so we, you know, it's not like we're trading a swing trade, but we definitely have to keep in mind on what the daily is doing. So the daily 1821 EMAs are not in the upshift, they're in the downshift actually, which, you know, like I don't like. Liquid 50 is up in the sell zone, so that's something I definitely don't like. So probabilities for the 1 daily, not really high probable at all. If we look at the 4 hour, liquid 50 is up in the buy zone. 1821 EMAs are bullish, and we definitely have space to ADR. I mean, EMAs are good. The 200 EMA could be better, for sure. Right over here, it could definitely be better. I would like it to be below the 50 EMA, but it is what it is. It's better. It's definitely better than the 1 hour. And liquid 50 is up in the buy zone, but it's a swapping liquid 50. But I do like the TDI better than the 1 hour TDI. And I have sniffles. All right, so EuroCAD. That's kind of like my top that analysis on it. So if we go to if we put our chat backs right over here, I'll say 1 hour. We're currently in the upshift 8 and 21 May, and then, like, you know, swapping liquid 50, but holding buy zone, and it is rising, so it's a plus. Rising. You know, EMAs could definitely be better. EMAs could be better, and then we can put, like, let's see, EMAs could be better. I guess the structure could be a little bit better as well. I know the 850s and 800 EMAs in the way on the 1 hour, so which is something I don't like, to be in that, but it is below us, so that's good. So I would rather have it below us than above us, so because that'll be, you know, more resistance toward our side. So I'll probably grade that as kind of a B- on that. So 4 hour, we'll say it's, you know, upshift. Much better than the 1 hour. An uptrend, swapping like 50, but we'll grade that as kind of a B+. And then 1 daily, just absolute crap. we're graded at a C minus. So overall, not the best for the higher time frames. You know, they definitely could be better. So that's kind of my idea on EuroCAD for today. Interesting. So this is EuroCAD. I was looking at something else, JP and ZD. It's kind of a D2 idea, from what I can see here. But I kind of have I kind of had an idea on what. All right, so right over here. So let's see. So let's go to the woman, scrolling down to the lower time frames and see what we can see here. So we definitely have bullish divergence off the 200 EMA. Oh, come on, this is playlist. I got a new like music playlist, like non-copyright music. So that's nice. Anyway, so we have some bullish divergence here. It's still building, so we'll give it some time to build and see what we can hear. But to be honest, like I'm only looking at EuroCAD for today. I think that's like the best idea that I can come up with. I don't like anything else right now. JP, like JP CHF, just JP pairs look kind of bull biased to me. Even though we could maybe go for a short on GU, as it's holding the sell zone, and you know below the like it's holding below the daily pivot. And 200 EMA, but it just looks bullish to me, so I think it's just hard to kind of go short bias on it, as well as 50 EMAs in the way. So I'd rather just stick to kind of more probable setups. You know, JP pairs look, it's just fundamentals right now. GN kind of a D2 idea, like I said again. You know, it's holding the sell zone, but it's, you know, I feel like we're gonna go up today on GN. JPY, it's holding the sell zone, but it's just price action is just going up, as well as, you know, obviously like bullish divergence right over here. So even kind of like a D2 idea. Alright, cool. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I only like EuroCAD at the moment. So we'll see what happens here. We'll scroll down to the woman and see what kind of divergence we see. Looks like Nasdaq 100 is pulling back, which is fine. Hey, what does it mean swapping sell zone to buy zone? It's a swap, so I don't know if you're in our courses, but a swapping liquid 50 means the yellow line on the yellow moving average on the TDI moves from one zone to another zone. So from the buy zone to the sell zone. Alright, so let me see. Yeah, I gotta do my daily trading plan for today before the market opens, and I gotta do a little bit of studying. I'm excited. I want to like kind of trade this new strategy that I've been trading. I mean, that I've been studying. It definitely, I think, gives me an advantage with my system. So I'll see what happens with it. Let's see.
I'm just trying to get to you.
This is a good song. I made myself a new trading plan for my system, so I love it. I'm enjoying it. Plus, I updated my kind of purpose, my why. I added like a whole paragraph, or actually more than a paragraph, like a whole freaking essay of my why. I wonder if we make a higher low right over here. This is interesting. So Liquid 50 is holding up in the buy zone, 15-minute. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. 15-minute. It's kind of holding the buy, like it's in the buy zone, and it's almost through TL. So this is interesting. The 50 EMA is in the way, so I'm probably gonna go for a late re-entry. Risk to reward. Let's calculate risk to reward. So if we took it right over here on the break of the 850, stop loss at the higher low, it's about 1.8 R. Now if we took it on right over here on the break of the 50, that's 3 R. If I waited right over here, that's 2.6 R. So there's definitely, I guess, a good risk to reward. We'll see, we'll see. We definitely have some change to spend today, because I'm up 3%. So maybe I'll take this trade at 0.5%, to be honest, because I'm chilling like with my goal. So to be honest, I feel good on just risking about 0.5% on this trade. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Oops. Alright, let's try that again. Cool. I mean, this is definitely kind of a B. I mean, in my opinion, technically a C setup. So the hit that I have is bearish divergence, and the 50 EMA is in the way, so that's 2 hits. So usually for 2 hits, I'll be a B setup. But I'm not risking about a B setup grade because I don't like how, yeah, the 50 EMA is in a way, and I don't like how the Liquid 50 is looking on the 15-minute, as well as I don't like how the higher time frames are looking at the moment as well. So we could just make a lower high. So, we'll see. I want to see if we hold this level. I may just enter about maybe less than 0.5%, and then scaling up to 0.5%. We'll see.
Blessed are those who love to love, with diamond hearts and plastic lungs. I
haven't entered yet. I'm waiting for Liquid 50 to kind of go in the buy zone, which we're not seeing that yet. don't like how there's no like really diversion zone either. Looks like 50-minute exercise through TL right now. Yeah, it's sketchy. I don't like how liquid 50 is just, it's not reaching up there. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna risk about a 1/4%. Open trade. We are in at I'm in with about a 1/4%. I'll add in once I see more confirmation. Look at 50 starting to rise again. Let's go, baby. I'm about to add in once I see a little bit more confirmation. I'm not in yet. I mean, I'm not in with a secondary position. I'm still holding mine. But right now, we're actually not in drawdown anymore. We're in profit. Let's go, baby. We'll see what we do toward this level. If we kind of fail and reject off this level with the liquid 50 kind of dropping, I'll probably just take my position out. It's about a 1/4%, which I'm up about 3.26% for the day. So if I lose on this trade, I'm still up 3%. So risk management, baby. I'll add in. Liquid 50 is now up in the buy zone. I'm waiting to add in. I'm adding in again for the secondary position at 0.5% on risk right now. So I didn't go 1% risk on it just because I don't like how liquid 50 on the 50-minute is falling, as well as I don't like how the higher time frames are. So even though it's kind of a B setup, I'm risking about 0.5% on this trade. So just risk management, and then I'll be able to kind of take my risk out if I see this level hold off the 850. So we'll see if we kind of, we're rejecting off this level, which it's going to happen. This level, it's 850 plus 200 EMA. So we'll see if we kind of reject this level a little bit, or we kind of just momentum out with it. So we'll see. I'm ready to close out. I'm ready to kind of close my risk if it really goes wrong. We'll close maybe half of my risk. So we'll see. We'll see what we do here. But I'm confident. I like this setup. I like the momentum that I'm seeing right now. Liquid 50 is now in the buy zone. 50-minute R size through TL. So let's go, baby. What we can do is kind of just watch and see what happens here. Looks like Barrett is calling me. Oops. Hello? Crap. No, I can't. Give me 1 second, bro. You're kind of coming off my other monitor for some reason. Okay, speakers. Alright. Hello? Yo, what's going on, bro? How's it going?
Bro, going to airborne school soon. I'm on 2-week quarantines. I've actually got time to trade now.
Really? You've been in... You going to airborne, bro? Crap.
Yeah.
Dude, congrats, bro. Like, I have one... There's a guy in my unit. His name is Evan. He's in the National Guard. He has like the most random MOS, and he got submitted to airborne school. I was
Nice, good for him.
I was like, what the heck? I didn't know National Guard, like with a random MOS, can go to airborne school.
It depends. So like a lot of the National Guard guys who are airborne are attached to special forces.
Really? That's interesting. That's cool.
Yeah. So a lot of times that's what they do. They'll actually they'll be like a special forces support staff, and so they'll handle like some of the logistics and like the truck driving for like the special forces guys. But because they're attached to that unit, they have to be airborne qualified in case they have to jump into an operation.
That's cool. That's definitely cool. It's gonna be fun, right? Jumping off planes.
Fun.
When are you going?
November 2nd.
Oh, really? Holy crap! You're leaving literally in like what, like less than a week?
Something like that.
Really? Interesting.
Yeah, actually exactly a week, I leave.
Wow. I guess you're not gonna be trading anymore, huh?
Not the next 3 weeks, which is gonna suck.
You'll be fine. I bet you'll have a lot of fun.
So I talked to my dad's money manager, and I put a lot of funds into. In fact, I put like 15K into that account, so that'll at least be managed. At least it'll be growing while I'm away.
For sure. Are you in EuroCAD right now?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I am in my demo account, not my live yet. I'm waiting for a retest of the 800 on the 1 minute. I've been bit too many times before to get in before it shows structure above the 800.
Yeah, I'm in right now. So, kind of my idea. I was gonna enter on the break of the 50 email, but I wanted more confirmation, and liquid 50 was up in the buy zone. So I took a starter position. I think I added in a little bit too early on this trade, because I added in about 0.25%, right like around here, like around 1.55683. I mean 1.55 at 695, and then I added it in on like kind of like a momentum spike, a little momentum spike on the 850. So I think I added in a little bit too early. I mean a little bit too early. I would have liked to kind of like add it in on the break of the 850, but it is what it is. I'm in about 0.5% right now, so I'm ready to just reduce risk if it kind of just stutters. But I think I have confidence. I like how the liquid 50 is rising and holding the buy zone right now, so I do have confidence that we're about to break out on the 850.
This would be a great trade if it was at the 50 instead of the fucking 200.
Yeah.
It's not bad because there's only divergence and the it's off the 200 going against it, but still that fucking 800 is bitten me more times than I can fucking count. So I've made it with a demo size. So I'm just trying to test out lower probability setups.
Yeah, for sure. I'm live streaming by the way too. Oh, looks like we're trying to break through this level. Come on, baby, let's go. Come on, give me something. Let's break through this level.
Come on.
If we close above this bullish with a big kind of a good bullish candle, I have confidence that we're gonna break out. And no, we failed. Usually it takes its time. Usually in my opinion, so if it touches the 850, you're probably gonna see a rejection off that. I mean, usually there's gonna be a rejection. If there's not a rejection, it's just probably gonna hold that level until eventually it breaks out. So right now I'm not seeing kind of like a lot of volatility spike toward the downside, like it's rejecting really hard. So I'm just kind of waiting. It's holding the 80 EMA right now, so I'm kind of just waiting to see what it does.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing too. I literally have a fucking buy window opened on my computer right now. I'm just watching it, seeing what it does.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean I like, you know, it's a I graded it a B setup. I just don't like how the 50-minute like liquid 50 is falling, and the higher time frames could definitely be better. Like I don't like how the higher time frames like are. So that's why I you know took it at 0.5% instead of like 2%. But
Yeah, I don't like. Yeah, like I was thinking the same thing. Like I like the liquid 50s in the buy zone across the 1 hour and the 4 hour. But at the same time, there's not a whole lot of confirming structure underneath that. Like there's no series of higher highs and higher lows. We're kind of channel bound. There's not going to be. I don't think this is going to be a huge winner. I'll probably throw a 0.5% at it if it breaks this 800 and confirmed structure. But other than that, like I'm fucking chilling.
yeah, this is my first forex trade like for this month. Yeah, literally for this month. I'm pretty sure. So let's see what happens.
I haven't traded since 22 September.
That's funny. Market has just been crap. I think whenever you come back from airborne school, I think you definitely find I think momentum will be back as the election is going to be over. Are you gonna vote for the? Are you gonna vote? I have no idea how active duty soldiers vote. Do they vote?
You can vote how normal people vote, dude.
Really?
Oh, breaking through the 8.
Yeah.
Look good.
Do you like? But how do you vote in airborne school if you're gonna be like in airborne school?
I can always just vote early if I wanted to. But honestly, dude,
I got you.
I fucking hate both these candidates. I can't bring myself to vote for either one of them.
You don't want to vote for Trump, bro?
I can't do it. The only reason I'd vote for Trump is because he's so fucking entertaining, and that's such a terrible reason to vote.
No, well, I mean, what about taxes? That's a good entertaining vote. I mean, a good vote.
Yeah,
What about taxes? Bro, Biden wants to literally like just do crazy tax cut rates. Like he's gonna increase taxes like on like the middle class, especially the upper class. Like,
dude, he's gonna fuck everything.
yeah, I rather have Trump than Biden. I don't care. And plus, like, I hated Trump whenever he got elected. Whenever he got elected, I got so pissed that I literally like I punched like my TV because I got so pissed that he won. I was like, how did Hillary Clinton not win? I wanted her to be the first. Oh, come on, baby, let's go. Let's break through this level.
Please.
52 seconds. If we break in the next 50 seconds and we close bullish, we're breaking out. So if we close above this 850, and then the next candle is a bullish engulfing candle, or bullish, kind of a bullish breakout candle, then we're breaking out, baby.
Because the 15 minutes, yeah. So on the 15 minutes through the trend line, which is on my screen, is black. You're still rocking the funky colors. Don't give me that fucking pin, you dick. Yeah, dude, it's just been slow as hell, man, on the Forex side. I started taking, like, I don't know if you saw the message I put it. I started taking stupid setups in the fucking demo just literally as entertainment because it was so fucking bored.
Oh my gosh, yeah, bro. Like it's been tough. I've never, I mean, I don't think I've never seen this kind of market, and that's probably just because I've never like traded during an election. Because I traded, yeah, I haven't. I think I traded like a few months after the election, so I don't remember. Oh, it's breaking out. So, I think I'm waiting 40 seconds. Yeah, it's breaking out right now. Looks like it's breaking out. Because, I mean, it did close above the 850, so I think it's breaking out right now. So,
I fucking hate entering mid-bar, though. I might just wait, take the reduced RR, and wait for it to close.
Yeah, in 21 seconds. I like it. I think it's breaking out right now, so let's go.
Where's your take profit, by the way?
Take profit is going to be up to the divergent zone. Divergent line, so we'll see.
Which is what, 964 or something?
What'd you say?
Alright, a minute.
Let's go, baby. Come on, let's go.
I put my stop loss down at the most recent low, though, which is kind of a risky move.
Really? Oh, wow. Yeah. It's just
only
pinning.
Only because I couldn't get RR otherwise, and so I might.
Bro.
as is, high day is fucking my take profit, and I think barely 2R, so. Might go for a run.
Yeah, it's slow, which is something I don't like. That's not really something I kind of want to see on a breakout.
Afraid of who? Put in Daddy Powell.
I will. That's right, Daddy Powell. Oh, it's kind of pulling back right now, which is something I don't like. I mean, that's not really a breakout. Yeah, I don't really like that. It's not really a breakout. Yeah, it's kind of slow. I just don't like it. But I mean, it is like, it is Monday. It is Monday.
At the end of the day, that's what it is.
You graded it a C setup. I graded it a B setup, but I took it as a C setup.
Yeah, I mean that's the thing, cause like, it's definitely in between. It's divergent, and the only other thing that's wrong with it is that the structure could be better, and it's coming off the 200 rather than the fucking 50. If it was a 50, I'd be throwing a whole percent at minimum at this, but it's not, unfortunately, which sucks.
Yeah. Holy crap, it's thundering. Bro, you're so lucky that you don't live in Oklahoma anymore. It's literally 30 degrees outside and it's snowing. It's going to be snowing the whole day. Like, oh my god.
It sucks. It's a nice 54 right now.
Oh my god. It's such a... Man, I hate when it happens like this because it's not snow. I mean, whenever it snows, bro, I should have just... I need to get a new car. I need to get that Tesla soon. Because, like, with my car, bro, I'm so afraid that it's going to, like, fucking kill me one day.
You need to get the fuck out of Oklahoma is what you need to do.
What the heck? I just got here, bro. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Get the fuck out of Oklahoma.
It's kind of we're divergent right now.
Right. If this doesn't go the way that it's supposed to, then it's just like, it's part of the fucking probabilities. I can't be mad at it. Liquid 50s in the buy zone everywhere. Structure could be better. Divergence, sure, but at the same time,
Small divergence on top as well.
yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The small divergence on top.
Yeah, I'm prepared to reduce my risk if necessary. I'm only about 0.5%, so literally I'm up 3% for like during the night because I took the swing trade on the S&P 500. So
Nice.
I'm kind of chilling, but if it goes against my direction, then I'm ready to reduce half of my risk.
Oh, that bar.
This continuation. Come on, give us a continuation. If this bar is a continuation of that bullish momentum, then it's breaking out, baby. Come on. Nah, it's just slow. Come on, babe. Come on.
Don't do it. No, but honestly, that bar is pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, honestly, if it holds structure at all below that 800, I'm fucking out of the trade. I don't even give a shit about the stop loss. I'm not waiting around.
Yeah.
I'll re-enter and take the small L.
Yeah. I mean, I could lock my stop or break even in one of my positions, but...
Oh yeah, wait, I haven't even checked my demo. What's my demo at? So I took that way the fuck early.
I don't know. Maybe I should just lock my stop or break even in one of my positions. Yeah, I think I will. Yeah, I'm locking my stop or break even. Oops.
Yeah, I'm green on both my demo positions, which is nice.
Yeah, I'm green too on all my positions, so let's see what we do here.
Yeah, I'd honestly be kind of shook if this ends up reversing just because of the structure, and on top of that, we're pretty much using the fucking 800 as a support zone now, so it'd have to break beneath that, and on top of that, fucking hold structure beneath it. I just don't see that happening. But who knows? It's the fucking market. You can't predict anything.
Yeah, correct. You are very correct. But yeah, I locked myself a break even in my first position. So if something really goes wrong, I could just close out about 0.25% of a loss, which is fine. I'm up.
What R is your first position at?
It's about 0.4 R, which is part of my rules anyways.
Yeah. Yeah, my first is at the same thing. We entered at the same level, even though I entered at the first break.
Yeah, I like it. We'll see. We're just waiting patiently. That's all you could do. Just waiting patiently. I like how the 50-minute looks. I just don't like how the RSI is about to hit. It's close to the kind of. Oh, it's pulling back right now. It's close to kind of the liquid 50, which is something I don't like. Oh, it's pulling back hard. It's not hard, but in my screen it's hard in MetaTrader 4.
Yeah, we'll see where this goes.
Ooh. I'm like about 4 pips from my first position, or 5 pips. So hopefully it doesn't stop me out. I break even.
Yeah, whatever happens, happens.
Okay, it's holding that level. See if it actually tries holding that level. Dun dun dun. Let's put some music on.
I'm not even gonna wait around for the stop loss to get hit. As soon as structure holds bearish, I'm fucking gone.
Really?
Yeah, dude. Like, there's no, especially in these setups, if your structure isn't going, it's one thing if like a single bar kind of fucks your shit, but like, if structure isn't going your way on a fee setup, it's like a no-go, man.
Yeah. I don't like how the momentum's at right now. So, I mean, we'll see. We'll see what it does right now. I mean, it's just slow. Like it's something I despise. Like I'm just a breakout momentum trader. Like I just like momentum, but you know, we just gotta wait patiently. I'm about to get stopped at break even in one of my positions. Oh, it's close. It's close to hitting, stopping me out in one of my positions. Is it gonna stop me out or not? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just gonna bounce to the 50 EMA. I'll hold half of my position at a 0.25%, just for the level of the 50. But if it kind of fails at that 50, then I'm taking maybe the majority of my position out, most of my position out. And then if there's a re-entry that presents, hey, I'll take it again. But right now I want to see how the RSI reacts to the liquid 50 right now as it starts rising. Maybe we'll see kind of a momentum bar because of that. So we'll see.
And who knows?
What?
Fucking hungry, dude.
Oh my god, you're always hungry, bro. So you're in quarantine right now?
Technically.
Technically.
Really hope I don't have to fucking run in the middle of this trade. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. Oh, EG is off. Oh, no, it's not on.
I'm literally about to, yeah, I just got stopped out of break even of my first position. Yep, literally a break even.
Let's see where the structure goes. Oh, it's just gonna fucking sit there.
Looks like it's pulling back. So I'm gonna add in right over here on this break. My risk reward will be kind of a little bit out, so it is what it is, though. You know, market stops you out of break even. You just gotta have a plan of execution. Okay, well, let's see.
Come on, baby, close. Close.
Yeah, I'm just waiting right now to see if I add in. Bum 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 bum. I'm chilling though. I don't think I'm gonna take a loss on this, like a significant loss. Even if this goes against my direction, I think the maximum that I'll lose is just like $100, which is about 0.10% my account. So I'm chilling.
Yeah, dude, I'm pretty much in the same headspace.
Man, how I wish just to see kind of like a clean forex trade. I'm just praying for that.
You and me, fucking both, dude.
Yeah, I'm just like, I'm dreaming about that, bro. Just a clean forex trade. Oh my god, I remember in April, like I can still taste it and dream it, bro. In JPCHF in April, an A1 entry that went up 26 down 26R on JPCHF. Oh my god, I can just taste that win again.
Dude, I think it's so fucking funny that, like, I remember going when we first entered this thing back in March. I was, like, watching the guys, like, create ideas, and it seemed like every idea was popping off, and there was only a little bit of losses. Now it's just like a fucking desert.
just up in the gulag right there.
Yeah, no.
I'm just drawing. Yeah, it is what it is, bro. You know, I mean, usually I haven't seen this market being this low. Usually October is kind of my best month out of the year. But it is what it is, you know?
It's all just really just the fucking election, I think.
Yeah, it is the election, bro. Like, there's no other explanation. Like, the COVID, you know, post-COVID, like, there's a lot of good COVID volatility. And so, how I added my position is I have to take into account, I have to reduce my risk just slightly to account for, you know, I'm actually risking about, you know, 0.50%, which I could do using magic keys. I need to put like an affiliate link in my bio for you guys if you guys are interested in that magic keys. I like them a lot. So definitely have to put that in my bio for like an affiliate link.
What the fuck are magic keys?
Oh, they're like this keyboard thing where it allows you to reduce risk and add risk like really fast.
Oh,
And
that's
like
neat.
close your like your like lock yourself at break even really fast and stuff like that. So I like it. Especially whenever I'm scalping. Like, it helps out a lot.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Oh, I may just add in right over here.
on, buddy. I believe in you.
Okay, I'm adding in right here.
I'm really. It's still holding
Actually, not yet.
21. That's the thing that's really nice about it is that it's still.
Not yet. Hold. Adding in there. Now we just added in.
Close above. Close above.
Hold.
Rationality of trading. Like,
Yeah.
just screaming at random fucking black balls.
Bro, that's not even the half of it. Whenever you're a full-time day trader, you literally just you're talking to the shorts like it's a girl. Like, come on, baby, just continue on going up. And it's just, man, you sometimes like on like when a crazy market days, I'm just literally screaming on top of my lungs like, let's go, come on, close above that. My parents think I'm crazy.
Check the fucking rejection pin on the 15-minute chart. It's real nice.
On the to the downside, yeah.
Yeah, we're above the 50 now.
Mm-hmm.
Cleared. I just gotta make sure it hits high of day. That's the only thing.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna wait for this trade and see what it does. I'm in a little bit more than 0.5% now, slightly. Now it's rejecting off that's previous high. Come on, give us something at least. There you go. Come on. Bro, I deadlifted 365 for the first time in like 2 years since I started working out again. It's freaking insane. Yeah, bro. Like the last time I deadlifted, I mean, it was just my injury. Like whenever I deadlifted 450. Oh, now it's rejecting. Come on. Yeah, at this point, I'm just gonna wait. I think if it breaks through the 50, I'm just closing out.
Oh yeah, sure.
Like the whole position, probably. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Honestly, right now the 21's eking above the 50. Liquid 50's in the buy zone. It's going our way for now. I'm not.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Now,
That's what I'm saying.
we
Yeah.
pulled back and made bull structure. Like I'm not that fucking worried about it.
Mhm.
I've got a sell order for having it at 1.5 R, and then the remainder's out at high a day.
Oh crap! I just. Oops.
What? What the fuck did you just do?
Oh my gosh! I kind of, bro. Magic keys fucked me up. Oh my god! I just kind of. I literally just my first position, like my positions right now, because whenever you place a primary order, you can replicate that primary order to a secondary order, like without like calculating risk to reward, just based on the last position. So I took my risk to reward on literally like on the pin low, not the previous higher low, but on the pin low. So my risk reward isn't as nice as I want it to be, which is kind of unfortunate. But at the same time, that means I'm not able to lose like stupid amounts of money, which is good. Maybe I should have gone all high on like 2%, but nah.
Nah, dude. Well, yeah, that's the other thing. That's something that I really want to look into is literally slapping the shit out of the position sizing once actual setups start happening.
Mhm. Yeah.
Like, because I've been doing my back testing. Dude, B setups are like actual true B setups. They're solid. They've got solid enough risk probabilities that there's no reason why I can't slap a 1.5% on it.
Yeah. For sure, bro. Whenever the market starts like going up in volatility, man, I messed up on that position size. I'm kind of bummed out about that.
Whatever.
Kind of getting used to the magic keys.
Choppy.
Yeah, it's just chop. I mean, it's Monday. What do you expect? It's a freaking Monday.
Dude, it's weird, man. I've been on quarantine since Wednesday.
Really?
Yeah, and
What you been doing all day? Like the whole time? Trading?
chilling.
Just chilling. Talking to your GF.
Yeah.
So how much time do you have left on your contract?
Hopefully, only like 2.5 years.
2.5 years.
Yeah, and then I'm going to go do MBA school and stuff.
In Florida?
No. God no. Probably like I'm gonna try for.
God no. He said God no. Why not Florida, bro?
Yeah, except that there's like the name of your MBA school matters a hell of a lot more than your university.
Really?
Yeah. So I'm gonna try to go for a top 20, so like Duke or something like that.
Interesting.
Make up your mind. Am I pulling this plug or not?
Yeah. I just don't like it. It's just so choppy. It's a Monday. Man, I just, I remember this Monday like 3 months ago and back in, I think, August. No, actually, it was before August, like June, July, where like I remember it was a Monday on Euro USD, and we just had a clean D1 trade that it just went up 2R, and everyone made money in AceFX. I remember it was a clean D1 trade on Euro USD. Now we're seeing some momentum. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Oh, let's go.
When just literally one pip moves, we're so excited. Like, oh, yes, let's go. We're in the money, baby. Like, just one pip.
Especially because, like, with my position size, it turned from, like, a 50-cent loss to, like, a $1 winner. It's like, oh!
Oh, my God, that rejection, though. Oh, my
What a
God.
dick. What a dick. Dude, after joining ASX, I can't imagine day trading alone. This shit's so fucking boring.
Trading what?
Trading alone.
Yeah. It's boring. It just completely rejects that level. What time is it? Oh, it's 6:04.
Hey, so you only have like one more drill and then you're done, right?
No, 2 more.
2 more?
Yeah.
After you're done, move to Florida.
Yeah, right. I
Dude, I'm
wish.
serious.
I wish, bro.
Why not, man? The only thing stopping you is you.
True. Also, personal stuff. Also, I kind of just want to live in an apartment by myself, like on Oklahoma. Like, I just want to, be
Yeah, in Florida.
in Florida. Oh my God. Yeah.
Or at least somewhere on the East Coast.
I mean, I'm only 19, bro.
I was in Oklahoma for like a grand total of like less than 6 months, and I swear to God, I'm never going back.
It's because you were stuck in base all the time, bro. That's why.
Yeah, it's still fucking awful. Just the weather alone.
Of course it's awful. You're stuck in a base, bro. You can't go everywhere in Oklahoma, like Oklahoma City, and hang out with girls, or go to the bars in Oklahoma City or anything like that. I mean, I can't even go to bars. I don't even know what I'm saying.
Yeah, bro. There's bars in every state, right?
I know, but like I'm just saying, you haven't fully met the whole Oklahoma experience yet. Plus, I don't know, bro. Like, it's just like I want to like be a little bit like manage my own. Cause like for right now, I just want to make sure that I can maintain my money. Basically, I mean, with my trading, with my other businesses, with coaching, everything like that, I want to see if I can, maintain at a certain like income per month, and then once I maintain that, then I'm like, okay, so now I have income that I know I can maintain in the long run. So
How much longer until you get to that point, though? Because I think you're
I mean,
already
it's just
there.
maintaining it. It's not like just getting there. It's maintaining it. So I mean, I think it's just
Yeah.
maintaining it for like if I could maintain it for a year consistently without any any like big kind of overturns, like maybe a 20% drop of my income or a 10% drop. Not, I mean, 10% isn't that bad. 15, around maybe 20 plus percent of drop. Then yeah, I'll be a little bit concerned because I just want to maintain income. If I can, like, because like if I live in Florida, my living expenses are probably going to be a bit more higher, to be honest.
Not necessarily, dude. It depends on what part of Florida you live in.
Well, I'm probably going to be living in a beach house or something.
Yeah, if you fucking ball out, sure.
And then just maybe rent a Lamborghini. Just kidding. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. But that's just basically all I'm waiting for. Plus, I just want to kind of like get my own apartment here, because I've never done that before. Like, have got my own apartment, decorated it, like cool stuff like that. So I just want to do
Yeah, I'd
that.
wait to move out personally.
Yeah. Plus, I'm still waiting.
Yeah. Oh my god.
It's
I need
just
this trade to go some way so I can fucking go for my run.
yeah, it's just a Monday. I think I'm just like, to be honest, like I'm reducing my risk.
Hey, it closed. Closed above the zone. We'll see where this goes.
I'm reducing my risk, like reducing my risk to right over here. So instead of risking a full like quarter percent, I mean like half a percent, I'll be risking about maybe, I don't know, like 250, maybe less than that, probably like 0.10%. I mean, the market's slow. I mean, the market, it's a Monday. What can you expect? You can't expect crap. Euro 21. Oh, Euro, what's up? What's going on, bro?
Yeah, dude, it's literally just a fucking waiting game.
Yeah, it is.
I love how Ryan just trades from his bed. And
Yeah.
goes back to his... It's so funny.
Oh, now we're counting momentum. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Hey!
Let's go. Finally. Let's go. I can lock myself or break even in all my positions now. But I'm going to wait just maybe about plus 0.3 R.
Come on, baby. My demo trades are looking great. Up a full percent right now. It's a joke.
Yeah, now I'm locking myself or break even in all my positions right now. So, it's risk-free trade now. Alright, cool. So, yeah, lock myself or break even in all my positions. Yeah, I like the momentum. I like how it's...
Hey, Neo's in with us too.
Yeah. um... Yeah. I don't like how my MT4 account isn't, like, the price data isn't as exactly as TradingView's.
Why are you using MetaTrader right now
What do you mean?
instead of fuck, what am I talking about? Like, why are you even on MetaTrader?
Huh?
Why are you even on MetaTrader?
What do you mean? What do you,
Like,
that's
why
how
are
I
you...
execute orders.
Oh, okay. I don't know. I always just execute straight from TradingView, so it's just
I mean, but TradingView only supports like specific brokers. That's the thing.
oh, you use I forgot you use weird brokers.
Wait, brokers? What are you talking about?
What brokers do you use?
I just choose literally Uanda and LMAX, which is the FTMO broker.
Oh, it's the FTMO stuff. Okay, that's why. Yeah, I'm putting my stop loss under at like the 669 level. So I've only got like 0.25% still on the table. I'm not gonna move to break even just yet, but I'm getting close.
Yeah,
Oh,
for sure, bro. Yeah, it's pulling back right now, but I'm just gonna let it do whatever it wants.
yeah, I'm not concerned, dude. It would have stopped us out already if it planned on doing it. I think I'd be surprised if it reverses all the way back.
Nah, I don't think it won't. I think, like, looking on the 15-minute, I like how the 50-minute looks.
Oh yeah,
With
even
that
with
bar.
that little pin,
I mean, it's a 50-minute.
it's also slow as fuck.
Yeah. Which I think we should, like, reach about half there, yeah. Oops.
Oh, I heard there's a new coach in town. Jace,
Huh?
I heard there's a new coach in town.
Yeah. Jerome, Jerome, he's a coach now, yeah.
I know, good for him.
Yes, sir. There's divergence. High low. And then Looks like it's pulling back right now.
Whatever. Oh, I might just run with my fucking computer with me. This is bullshit. Oop, not a big fan of that bar.
Yeah, I think we're just fine. I think it's just pulling back right now. Whoa. Whoa, why is it there? I'm confused, why is it there?
So how's the FTMO stuff going?
Pretty good, bro. I'm taking the verification right now, but I've been not trading the verification part. I've just been trading my main account. I think the main reason is just because I want to kind of focus on like actually making money, real money right now, as well as I want to make sure that I'm taking the verification 100% seriously on like good actual trades. So on Friday, I took some trades on Friday on the Nasdaq, and it was just kind of just flowing around. So I was down like about, I think, 2% on Friday on the verification. So now I'm basically at break even for that, which is fine. So I'm just taking it day by day. That's why I'm focusing on like more higher probable setups on that. Because Friday, I mean, it's just ranging. It was just super ranging. So there's nothing that I could kind of do with that. But hey, 3% on my main account, so I like that.
It's not bad. Not bad at all.
I think this candle could definitely be a bullish engulfing bar. I think it's gonna be a definitely. I just pulled back from there. I don't know if we in 21 EMA is kind of downshift. You know, that's kind of a first just a first level of just telling you that, hey, like maybe price action is maybe wanting to come down here, but we'll see. We're just gonna be patient with it. But it is 6:20. I do gotta get ready. No, I didn't close any profits yet.
What?
I didn't close any profits yet.
No, I never buy. I probably won't because it's a C setup. Either I'm in it or I'm not, and I like to take like a small like dollar loss. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you. Yeah. For me, I'm closing at 1R. I'm 50% at 1R. I mean, I'll see. Because my first position, it's still, like, it was almost a 1R over here. But I wasn't able to close it. I think this is a squeeze. I think this is a bearish squeeze right over here. A short squeeze. I think it is a short squeeze. Prove me wrong. Short squeeze to the upside. I think it is.
Dude, on the 15, like, now the entrance is done. On the 15, it looks fine. It looks like a doji.
No, no short squeeze. No short squeeze for me. Alright, so, oh, I haven't even been looking at the NASDAQ 100. Oh, there's short squeeze. There you go. Okay, so, NASDAQ 100. There we go. There's your short squeeze. There you go. There you go. Okay, so right now in the pre-market, looks like we're down. I took it to the short side, obviously, so of course we're down. It looks like we're gonna go above the 50 EMA, maybe do kind of a retest on there. So I am looking for shorts on the market open on the Nasdaq 100. I'm kind of excited because I've been, you know, I've been. Do you know Van Tharp Barrett, right?
Yeah, of course. I gave you the book, dumbass.
I know, but I'm just saying, like, do you 100% know? Like, do you know his program, his super trader program?
Yeah, I've read through. I haven't attended it, but I gave you the books. And I've read all of his books.
I've read all of his books first. Okay, shut up. Just kidding. Anyways, so.
No, I gave you the book.
I know. But anyway, so looks like it's pulling. But anyways, I bought one of his programs, his super program, super trader
No shit, really?
Yeah. So bro, it's fucking. It's so professionally made. I am so happy about the purchase because like even though it was a lot of money, like it was so professionally made. And like
Several $1,000s, isn't it?
yeah, it is. But anyways, Dr. Ken Long, bro, oh my god, like he's one of my fucking trading heroes, and he was teaching one of the courses that I'm doing for day trading. Just phenomenal. Just a phenomenal thing. Like it's such a simple strategy that is just super profitable. Where I was backtesting it during the weekend, and I was just really excited because it's like it goes through standard deviations in the market. So I'm excited to use it.
Oh yeah, no, I mean I definitely want to buy the course once I'm out of the military and I can effectively trade.
Yo, bro, it's just so professionally made. Like, I mean, I love ASFX. ASFX is the first course that I think everyone should start with because it's like the good step on into trading if you don't have a lot of money. But like once you have more like a lot of advanced, like you're a good trader and you have extra capital and you want to capitalize on other markets, definitely going through professional traders is the key. So I'm excited. Like I love Dr. Ken Long, bro. He's just. Do you know he was a colonel in special operations? I think it's special operations U.S. Army.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, he was 40 years in the military. So he uses a lot of like military abbreviations in his courses and his like training or whatever. So it's really cool. Like area of operation, area of interest. Talks about like a lot of psychology like crap. So he even gave me a discount, bro, because I was in the military. Like I mean, I didn't tell him I was in the military. He was just wanting to know a little bit like like my income, and I was like, yeah, I make some money from like National Guard because I make. And he's like, oh, okay, I'm gonna give you a discount on it. I was like, oh, bro, I appreciate it. So like make sure to tell him like if you go on a super program or if you go buy his courses, tell him that you're.
How much are the courses?
I mean, like, so I bought mine for $5,000. So,
Ooh, buddy.
I know.
Ooh, buddy.
I know.
Hey man, if you can that's the thing though. If you can make $5,000 off of it, who gives a shit, right?
True. And I think like, bro, it's just so good. Like I enjoy like trading mathematical. Like it's all about math. It's all about logical systematic stuff. Like I love that stuff. Like it makes sense to me. Like even though he uses like freaking 30 indicators, bro. Like 40 indicators in one chart, and like it looks crazy if you take a look at his, but like it just makes sense. Like the indicators make sense to me. Like I don't know. I just love it.
Nice. Yeah. Right now with these with this bullish momentum on ECAD, on my demo account I'm up 2%, and on my live account I'm up 0.5%.
Let's go, baby. If everyone is in this trade with us, give us a shout out. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a hoorah. Not actually.
Fuck that with the hoorah bullshit.
Trade is. My keyboard is loud. If my keyboard is loud, bro, just exit out of my live stream. Sorry, but it's just. I love my keyboard. He's still holding. So he graded it a B. I'm wondering why he's not closing at 50%. I'm gonna talk to him about that
He
tomorrow.
graded it a C. He said it's a C. He
I
said
mean,
he
yeah,
closed
but
it
I'm wondering why he didn't close it at 50% at 1R because that's part of the rules. Because he had this issue with our last trade. He's holding it now. He had this issue in our last trade, in the last trade that he took. Or actually, no, the previous trade that he took on JPAUD, I believe. No, I think it was Euro AUD or JPAUD, where he didn't close at 50% at 1R because he said he just wanted to hold it, and that's why he, he kind of like he could have maintained the winner a little bit more, but he couldn't. So I kind of want to wonder what is his mindset with that.
he's experimenting same as we are.
Yeah, but I kind of want to know like why is he not closing at 1R, 2R? Like he's at 2R right now. He says 2.5
So
R.
he's at 2.5, which is
Unless
insane.
he's risking about maybe like less than 0.5%, maybe 0.25%, or maybe less. Then that makes then that maybe makes sense more because if you close like at 0.25% at 1R, it's not a lot of money. I like the 15-minute. Looks really good.
I need a pip and a half more before I can close half this thing out.
It just moved the pip in a half.
Yeah, I'm closing it. All right, half out. Stop loss at break even. I'm letting the rest ride.
Yeah, EU did not look good to me at all. Swapping liquid 50s. Oh, look at that, baby. Let's go. Looks so good.
Mine's talking about taking GN, which looks nice. One second, I have to close out my demo trades.
Yeah, I was looking at GN. I think the only thing I don't like about it is just the JP pair momentum on it. That's the only thing I didn't like about it.
Nice. Pulled 1.5% closed with 1.5% open on my demo, and then I pulled a 0.5% off of the live. So that went well. And I'm still got pieces open.
I'm closing a little bit more now.
I wish that damn 800 wasn't in the way. I'd be up like 3R right now.
Let's profit, baby.
Perfect time too. Sun's just starting to rise. Gonna go for a nice morning run. Come back, have my take profits hit. It's gonna be a good day.
I
You
would
know
take.
what sucks though?
Yeah.
Is that I took out 15,000 from the trading account and put in the investment account since I know I was going away for a while.
Well,
It
3
put
weeks.
this
3 weeks
after
isn't a
I did
while.
that. What?
3 weeks isn't a while.
1 second. Nice.
All right, I just closed the majority of my position.
But anyway, well, it's also because I just wanted to diversify. But of course, this winter, like if I had kept my original account size, this winter would have been literally 2.5 times the size it is now.
Yeah.
Bitch.
All right, guys, what's going on? So we just took a trade on EuroCAD. Most of the ASPEX groups took it, I believe, but we took it with Austin. We took it right over here on this higher low on the break of the 850, and it was kind of choppy. It took its time, but finally we're up about around almost 2R, I believe. So I closed the majority of my position about around 75%, around 70% of the position. So basically I took my take profit out, so I'm letting it just kind of ride and see what it does for now. But just a really awesome freaking like just trade. Like we were waiting on it. Barely, how long have we been waiting for this trade?
Oh, Oh, dude, wait, what? I want to check the actual time, give it early. I was in. Where the fuck was my order placed? I was in like literally like a half hour ago, 45 minutes ago.
Yeah, for sure. So I mean, it's something that it's just being patient with it. We were patient with it. It was just kind of funny to see what price action was doing. But we took it, and this is my actual first forex trade. Dang it, Instagram stories. Gosh, dang it. But this is actually my first forex trade in literally this whole month, so I'm really excited. I graded it kind of a B setup, but I took it as a C setup, about around a little bit about half a to 0.60% on it. So, but just a really great trade. I'm up 3% for the Nasdaq for the swing trade that I took, as well as another additional 1% on EuroCAD. So, just a great start for a Monday.
Yeah, I forgot this was Monday too.
It is a Monday, yeah.
Hey, but the funny thing is, as I was saying, so I took out 15K to put into a stock investment style account for like slower, more steady growth. But like, of course, that happened last week, and then this week, now that my account only has 10,000 in it, I get the fucking trade. After not trading for a full month, I take funds out and I reduce my position size, and now this happens. So I'm like, God damn, man.
Oh my gosh, bro. 887. I'm up 4% on the account now, on my main account. For today. Man, oh my god, that's just so funny to me. I'm up 4% on my. I think that's what is the most that I made in a day? 4%. Yeah, man, I think it was 5%, to be honest. That's funny though. I think I'm just gonna be done. I don't know. I'll probably just trade on the verification on the market open if I find a really good trade. It's just funny though.
I'm gonna go for a run. I'm gonna close out half. I'm gonna only leave a quarter of the position open. I'm just gonna go for a run. I'm up with 0.5%. I'm not really worried. I've got what, like a quarter, like a 1/12 or what? No, what the fuck? 0.12% open still to go to the high of day.
Yeah.
Stop locked in fucking profit.
Yeah.
Chilling.
Yeah. It's a good Monday for me. Really good Monday for me.
This is my first trade in a month.
Me too. Literally first trade in a month. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm excited.
1 for 1, baby. 1 for 1. That's all I need.
Yeah, just one trade. Yeah, it's because it's about to be the end of the month too. So one trade, one winner for the month. Let's go.
Oh, funny shit. All right, bud. I'm gonna go for a run. I'll talk to you later.
I'll talk to you later, bro. See ya.
Bye.
Bye. I just locked my stop by at a little bit more into profit right now. But just a really good trading day, guys. I'm happy about the results today. I think I could have managed it a little bit better with my secondary positions. Yeah, of course. Like, to be honest, like, I love FT. Like, I'm still focused on taking the FTMO, like, doing the FTMO verification. But I'm still trying to make actual like money. Like, I know like FTMO account is just a demo account. So I haven't been trading like my real account for like almost 2 weeks now. So that's why I've been focusing a little bit more on kind of my my actual main live account, just because I actually want to make some money. Like, I actually want to withdraw some money, and not withdraw like like just 1%. So that's why I've been I traded, like, I'm up 4% for this month. I mean for this week. I mean for today. My bad. I'm freaking tripping. But yeah. It's a really good trade. I enjoyed it. Right now I'm just gonna see what happens. Like, I have my lock stop my break even, so I can't lose on this trade. And if it wants to do whatever it wants to do, then it is what it is. But right now I'm just gonna be chilling for the day. Market opens soon, so in about an hour, 2 hours. So I'm gonna get ready for that. I gotta study a little bit more. Study. Hello? Is that Barrett? Let me know. But it's just a really good training, a good Monday for sure. You know, I don't know. For me, it's kind of like a blessing. Like, it's not a blessing. Like for me, it's just like the market rewarding me. That's how I see it because I put so much work into this weekend. Like, literally just study this whole weekend. Like I didn't even like I didn't even do anything like personal like fun or whatever. I just literally studied the whole day, markups, studied my markups, trade journal, studied my system, studied the new system, the new course that I was trading. So I think it's just for me, just a blessing from the market. It's telling me, yeah, this is for hard work pays off. So 4% for the day, like that's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty good for a Monday. Definitely good for. I don't think I've ever made 4% in a Monday before. So that's like a personal record, like with an actual big account. So, just a really good Monday. So I'm just gonna be chilling for the market open. I'll trade on my verification. So I'll see if I can find a good trade. If not, then it is what it is. I'm chilling, to be honest. I gotta edit this new video for you guys and upload it today. I also gotta make like a new video too for like kind of Monday. I'm doing like a new series called Money Monday. Basically just talking about like just tips about money. Just how you can make more money in trading, investing, stocks, dividends, good investments and all that stuff. So I'm gonna be making a new series about that for today. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I locked my stop at break even about right over here. I think it was right over here. Yeah, just above the 850. Yeah. I think people were looking at GN. Let's take a look at GN. I don't know. I was looking at GN. I just didn't like the moment. Like I just didn't like how all the JP pairs were kind of correlated and going to the same direction. So looks like he's kind of having a short bias on it. Kind of just off the zone that he marked up. But I personally don't like it. In my opinion. I mean, he definitely has a way on looking at in the markets properly. But for me, I probably would just have sticked around with EuroCAD. But I mean, this is a good trade for a Monday, like for sure. This is a really good trade. It was a bit choppy in the beginning, but we got down. So I'm happy about the win. So right now I just gotta like kind of like drink my coffee, right? Yeah, I drink all my coffee. So right now I gotta just basically study up. I already have my goals kind of my goals run down for the day. It's gonna be a really cold day. I'm just not looking forward to it. I had to do a lot of errands today, like get a haircut and stuff like that. But I don't think I could do it like with it snowing out there, and like with me not able to get my new car yet. It's snowing right now, so I'm just, bro. Like I'm literally afraid that my car is gonna kill me. Like the tire is just gonna blow out. Like I mean, it's not like an old car. It's like a 2005 model, Camry model, but I don't know. It's just sometimes it just does weird things that I just think like this is gonna be the end of me one day. Like I'm just gonna be driving and then the car's just gonna jerk off the road and I'm dead. So especially with the freezing rain, like I just don't. And then snow, the roads are gonna be icy. So I don't know if I need to go to the gym. So I'll make that road trip to the gym because it's like 5 minutes away. But should I risk it? Should I risk the biscuit to, do all my errands today? Who knows? Maybe. Mama didn't raise no bitch. But I'm excited, guys. Like, this is a really good trade for a Monday. Like, especially for a Monday, guys. How many times have we had a good kind of, like, a runner on a Monday? It's been a long time. Like, a really long time. So that's just, I don't know. I just think that's really cool. I don't know. We'll see. Whenever I'm up this much, I'm just really careful on trading anything else, just because I don't want to give back profits. So I'm definitely done trading for the main account today. Like, I still have my, like, around 30% of my position open right now. So I'm just gonna let it, actually 20%, my bad. Excuse me, 20% of my position open. So I'm just gonna let it run. I have my lock stop bar break about into profit. So, you know, if I get stopped out, it is what it is. But I'm just gonna kind of just basically wait. Higher time frames, 1 hour and 50 and 1 hour and 4 hour are long biased. So you know, we can maybe expect a good run over here. So we'll see. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Let me just put that screen back there. All right. Just being patient, guys. It's all about being patient. I know I may have seemed a little bit I don't know if I've seen a little bit impatient on stream on the trade. So I do apologize for that. But I promise you guys I would just kind of just focus on the trade. Like, for me, like, I always have plan of actions. I always have where I need to exit, what I need to do when price does a certain thing. So, like, you know, in my head, that's what I say aloud. Like, everything that I'm thinking in my head, like where I need to get out, where I need to reduce risk, where I need to add in, just all that stuff. So it's not me being a patient, it's just me being, you know, just knowing exactly when to enter, when to exit, and just me being, like, really decisive with everything, because that's important. That's definitely important with everything that you have. You know, just making sure that you know, you have a plan of action always for everything, for almost everything, as much as you can. Looks like Nasdaq is rejecting off the S1 pivot. What happened over here? Why are you tripping, bro? Why are you tripping? Alright, looks like Nasdaq is kind of going down right now. Alright, so pretty good trade for the day. It's 6:49 right now, so I'm ending the stream soon. But just a really good trade for a Monday. You know, right now I'm just gonna have to study for the market open. Gonna take a little break, gonna study, read over my trading plan one more time. Also gotta do my daily trading plan as well, for like stocks. So, oh my God, Nasdaq 100 is pushing down. Jeez Louise, that's insane. There's no entry for me, so I don't see anything. It's looks like it's just the direction is obvious for today on Nasdaq 100. Definitely short buys today. So we're risking about 9 pips to make 20. So, or I mean, not to make 20, but to make yeah, 20. Unless I'm tripping. Yeah, 20. So we're at 20 pips right now. So more than 1 and 2 risk to reward. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Do your markups, guys. Everyone in AceFX, you better do your markups. Markups. Oh, oops. I forgot to upload all my markups for last week. Let me do that real quick. October. Oops, that's not what I want. Okay. I just moved my stop a little bit into profit now. Okay, so let me just save this real quick. Ooh, my legs hurt. Alright, that's pretty much it. What I'm looking for. Probably put this music back to my speakers. Break. Alright, so market opens in 2 hours. I gotta take a shower. I gotta prepare for that. Actually, I can't even take a shower. Cause I don't, never mind. So I gotta prepare for that. Gotta get my watch list ready. Gotta get my my studying in point. Go over my trading plan. Do my create my daily trading plan for the day. I'll let you guys know if I take a trade or not today on the verification. I gotta edit this video for you guys as well, which should be uploaded today. Sorry for I was supposed to upload the video this weekend, but I was just so busy on studying that I wasn't able to do it. But yeah, as well as if you guys have any questions or anything like that, please let me know on Instagram. Direct message me. I'm pretty sure I literally message everyone back, whoever DM'd me. So to everyone who DM'd me, so I think I'm pretty much caught up with all my messages. So if you guys have any questions, let me know on Instagram. If you guys are interested in learning the kind of the systems that I trade on a daily basis, let me know on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to share with you guys and help you out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the stream. It's 6:57. Looks like right now we're up about 24 pips right now, so about more than 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio on it, almost 25 pips. So just a really good trade. I just we managed it really well. It could have been managed a little bit better, to be honest, with the secondary positions, but I'm really happy with it. You know, my risk on it, like the maximum drawdown that I ever had on this trade was about 0.10%, risking 0.5%. So risking about 0.10% for making 0.5%, like risk, like my initial risk, my execution risk being about 0.5%. That's really good. That's 100% really good. That tells me that I you know, just risk manage it really well, and I was just really good at risk managing, and as well as just like literally the trade was just up. It was just holding. It was just really choppy. So anyway, so hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day. Hopefully you guys took advantage of this trade if you guys are in ASFX. Let me know if you have any questions as well, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, 5 a.m. CST, Tuesday. Good trading day. Follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't, and I'll see you guys later. All right.